All right, today we're going to dive into some really powerful tools in English grammar, the perfect progressive tenses. Seriously, think of them like little time machines for your sentences. They let you describe ongoing actions that connect the past, the present, and the future with total precision.
So, check these two sentences out. At first glance, they look almost the same, right? But that one tiny little word, have versus had, changes the entire timeline of the story. Stick with me and you'll see exactly how it works and why it's such an amazing tool to have.
Here's our game plan. We'll start with the big picture idea. Then we'll jump through the present, past, and future versions. After that, we've got a quick quiz for you to try out your new skills, and then we'll wrap it all up with the key takeaways. Sound good? Let's do it.
Okay, section 1, the time-traveling tense. Before we get bogged down in any formulas, let's just get the core idea behind these tenses. What makes them so special for talking about stuff that happens over a period of time?
So, what even is a perfect progressive tense? Well, at its heart, it's all about duration. It doesn't just say an action happened. Nope. It tells you an action was in progress for a while, connecting different points in time. It's all about showing that something was ongoing, is ongoing, or will be ongoing. Let's start right here in the present. The present perfect progressive is your go-to tense when you're talking about something that started in the past, kept going for a bit, and has a direct result you can see or feel right now. And building it is incredibly easy. It's just 3 little blocks. First, you grab has or have. Then you add our magic word, been. And finally, you tack the ing form of your verb onto the end, and that's it. Take a look at this. It has been raining, and the street is still wet. See that connection? That cause and effect? The raining was happening in the past, but the result, that wet street, is something we're dealing with in the present. This tense links those two moments perfectly.
Okay, we've connected the past to the present. Now, let's travel even deeper into the past. The past perfect progressive is what you use when you're telling a story that's already in the past, but you need to talk about an action that was happening before that story's main event.
And the formula here, it's practically the same. The only tiny change is you always use had, no matter who you're talking about. So it's just had plus been plus your ing verb. Super simple. This example shows two things that happened in the past. I had been running was the first ongoing action. I was still tired is the second event that happened after the running was over. You see? The past perfect progressive totally sets the scene for what came next. And now for our last time-traveling adventure, let's look ahead. The future perfect progressive is all about projecting forward. You use it to describe an action that's going to be in progress for a while, leading up to a specific point in the future. And the formula that gets us there is just as easy. You kick things off with will have, that's your future signal, and then you bring in our two trusty friends, been and the ing verb. That combo is what launches the action into the future. In this sentence, the running is happening now, and it's going to keep happening. By next summer gives us a deadline in the future. So this tense tells us that at that future point, the action of running will have been going on for a year. It's a fantastic way to connect your efforts now to a goal way down the road. So, let's do a super quick recap of the pattern here. You see how the core part, been plus the ing verb, never changes? It's always there. The only thing you swap is the very beginning. Has/have for the present, had for the past, and will have for the future.
You master that little switch, and you've mastered these tenses. All right, you've seen how it all works. Now it's your turn. Let's put that knowledge to the test and see if you can spot an error.
Okay, I'm about to put 3 sentences up on the screen. One of them has a tiny but very important mistake in it. Your